Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through job boards, only to find out the listings are outdated, location restricted, or flat-out scams? Remote work is more popular than ever, but finding legit platforms that actually help you get hired can still feel like a full-time job. That's why in this video, we're going over the top 5 remote job apps you need in 2025. These platforms are trusted, beginner-friendly, and packed with real opportunities for people all around the world. Let's jump right in. 1. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is the gold standard when it comes to remote-first job platforms. Every single listing on the site is hand-screened to eliminate scams, MLM schemes, and fake recruiters. You'll find job openings from top global companies like Apple, Dell, American Red Cross, and hundreds more. The interface is easy to navigate, and you can filter by job type, schedule, salary, and even employer benefits like 100% remote or flexible hours. While it does require a small subscription fee, the quality and reliability more than make up for it, especially if you're serious about landing remote work fast. If you value your time and want to avoid fake listings, this is a smart investment. 2. Upwork. If freelancing is more your style, Upwork is one of the biggest and most trusted platforms to get started. Whether you're a designer, writer, marketer, developer, or even a virtual assistant, Upwork has thousands of active gigs for beginners and experienced professionals alike. You can set your own hourly rate, pitch to clients, and build long-term relationships that pay well. Payments are handled securely, and you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, Wise, or direct deposit in multiple currencies. The key to success here: a strong profile, a few early wins with satisfied clients, and consistency in applying to new projects. And yes, people from around the world are actively hired through Upwork every single day. 3. LinkedIn Jobs. Believe it or not, LinkedIn isn't just for job networking anymore. Their job board has become one of the most powerful tools for finding remote work in 2025. Once you've created a polished LinkedIn profile, go to the Jobs tab and use the Remote Only filter. You'll be able to view and apply to roles posted by major companies hiring remotely, some even with worldwide eligibility. And here's a tip: under your profile settings, turn on Open to Work and set your preferences to Remote. That way, recruiters can find you before you even apply. With new job posts added daily and filters for experience level, job function, and industry, LinkedIn is a must-use platform whether you're looking for freelance gigs or full-time roles. 4. We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely is a no-nonsense job board that lists remote jobs only. Unlike most platforms that mix in-office and hybrid roles, this site focuses exclusively on companies that are fully remote. Think Shopify, Automatic, GitLab, and Basecamp, big names with remote-friendly cultures. Jobs are organized by categories such as programming, customer support, design, sales, and marketing. Each post clearly states location requirements, salary range, and benefits. No fluff, no gimmicks, just high-quality remote jobs from vetted employers. If you're looking to avoid endless filters and get straight to the good stuff, this platform is a time saver. 5. Jobgether. Jobgether is an emerging player in the remote job space, and it's built for today's global workforce. What makes it different? Every listing shows you whether the company is fully remote, how flexible the schedule is, and what countries the company hires from. This is perfect if you're in the UK, EU countries, or anywhere outside the US and want a platform that doesn't restrict access to opportunities based on your location. It's growing fast, it's free to use, and it's packed with roles in marketing, tech, sales, HR, and more. If you're looking for freedom, flexibility, and global access, Jobgether is worth bookmarking. So there you have it, 5 remote job apps you absolutely need to check out in 2025. Whether you're switching careers, freelancing full-time, or just want more flexibility, these platforms are your best bet to find real, paying opportunities without the usual hassle. Let me know in the comments, which of these platforms have you tried, or which one are you excited to explore? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a future video. I post every week on how to work from anywhere, grow your income online, and build a life of freedom. no matter where in the world you live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.